Meet your ultimate visibility partner's 540-degree view.
The surround view system with car animation and transparent mode.
Together, they help eliminate blind spots from above and below the vehicle so that you can drive with complete confidence.
To activate, tap the SVS icon either from the APA widget, quick access drawer, or from the apps menu. Then expand the settings menu on the right and go to the convenience settings. Here, you can turn car animation and transparent mode on or off. The surround view system stitches 4 camera feeds into a real-time bird's eye perspective. Perfect for parallel parking, tight garages, or navigating busy streets with dynamic guides that predict your path. Engage transparent mode for off-road adventures or urban obstacles. See beneath your vehicle to avoid rocks, curbs, or uneven terrain, all while maintaining full 360-degree awareness. From the city streets to the mountain trails, see everything, miss nothing. With the surround view system with car animation and transparent mode. Drive with confidence wherever you go.
TATA.ev